In this video, we're going to start the show file preparation, and the starting point is having the fixtures you're going to use inside the show file. And you can do this with 3 methods. We will go through 2 of them, which are PSR, an existing show file, so you can partial show read another file that has the information that you need, all the data that you need. You can import it to your show. The MVR method that you can import an MVR and configure your patch. It will have all the information you need for a patch, your 3D position for each fixture on your stage, the patch. And the third method, which we will not go through, is build your file from scratch. So the first one we're going to take a look is PSR, and this is really common in a festival. Usually you have a house LED or someone who is doing front of house, and which we will provide you a show file with layouts, presets, and the patch, and you can import this to your file, import all the presets, everything you need, and then build your file from this. And that's the method we're going to see in this video. So let's start the PSR. You're going to set up show creator, and also make sure you're not in a session, otherwise you won't be able to use the PSR. And then you're going to choose the show file that you want to import all the data from. So I'm going to use this file, which was from the last Lollapalooza Brazil that I was doing the front of house. So this is a good example show file. So let's rename it to PSR example before we started. You're gonna get this screen. Make sure you don't have any fixture IDs matching, and then you can merge your PSR file, and you can also like filter what you want to import. I'm just going to import the whole show, the whole stage. Proceed. This is just a quick overview. It's not like a PSR lesson. So in data pool, I'm going to import everything that I need, which are the presets and the layouts, basically. Now that we have imported our patch, our stage from the other show file, then we can choose what we want to import. As I said, I want to import the presets and the layouts. That's what matters for me. So I'm gonna search on data pool default presets, and here I have all the presets that I need. So I have the dimmer presets, color preset, position preset, presets, gobo, color. I could import them one by one, but one important thing here is that all the data that I need from this file is on data pool 1 default, and our data pool is data pool 2. So I could just import the whole data pool. I can import everything and just filter it later. So I'm gonna make this to speed things up, and that's it. And now that we have imported everything we need from the other file into our file, you can make use of this view, the PSR view, that have all the groups from the show file. You have a dynamic preset pool with our data pool selected, and also a dynamic preset pool with the data pool 1 selected. If you import it to a different data pool, just change the data pool here, okay? So this way you can, the presets are really similar because I did the presets in this file, but you can, let's say I wanna use this position from the other file over this one, and that's how you would proceed. And one important detail is that every time you do a PSR, the MA resets the Lua environment, so your show file will not work after a PSR. Okay, so you try to click on stuff, it won't work. All you need to do is refresh show. Okay, use this macro that is on view 10. Just click it and it's gonna work again. Okay, so that's a limitation after doing a PSR, but it's really easy to solve. And before we finish it, just let me make sure we have imported the stage. We have a new stage here, the stage Perry, and we have all the fixtures from the other show file, so everything worked. With the new stage and fixtures in the next video, we will see another method to do this, which will be importing an MVR file. See you next video.